Hi viewers, this is Karuna classes for Electrical and Electronics Engineering. I am Vijay Singh, Technically Skilled and Chartered Engineer. This presentation is for those who have possessed engineering degree and also for those who just got employment in various industries. The topic of discussion is the quality and the skill required to become an efficient and competent engineering professionals. Every year, a number of students pass out successfully and they acquire degree in engineering. But question is, have they become efficient and professional engineer? Are they fully skilled? The answer is no, because they have not worked it in the actual environment of engineering, so they cannot be awarded as an efficient, skillful and professional engineer. They may be an efficient, skillful and professional engineer if they acquire experience and skill while working for several years in engineering field. Quality and skill required for professional engineers. Now let us discuss about the quality and the skill required for engineers to become an efficient, skillful and professional engineer. A successful engineer is creative, efficient, detail-oriented, electrically and mechanically inclined. What an engineer should be? An engineer must be a master of design and have a specialized knowledge of physics in order to produce efficient and reliable machines. An engineer must be specializing in designing various products such as engines, automobiles, consumer products, electronics or heavy machineries. Important personal skills required for an efficient engineer. There are several important technical and personal skills which are required for engineering professionals. Some of the skills are described as below. Engineering degree. First of all, an individual is usually required to hold a college degree. Educational backgrounds. Professionals also need strong educational backgrounds in mathematics and physics to help them to calculate statistics. Communication skill. Engineers need to possess strong communication skill as they are frequently required to work in teams with other engineers and correspond with management. Creativity and perseverance. These are essential in trial and error experiments with prototypes. Problem solving. Professionals need to have strong problem solving skill in order to invent and test new designs. Detailed knowledge. The professionals should have detailed knowledge of many different types of tools and assembly techniques so that they can work quickly and efficiently without taking shortcuts in the building process. Master in a specific technical skill. To be a successful professional engineer, an individual needs to master in computer drafting software and other programs. This will help them to design new products and equipment. Manual dexterity and detailed knowledge. Engineers require manual dexterity and detailed knowledge of many different types of tools and assembly techniques as they are usually expected to work quickly and efficiently. Coordination. Adjusting actions in relation to others' actions. Time management. Managing one's own time and the time of others. Management of personal resources. Motivating, developing and directing people as they work, identifying the best people for the job. Management of financial resources, determining how money will be spent to get the work done and accounting for these expenditures. Management of material resources, obtaining and seeing to the appropriate use of equipment, facilities and materials needed to do certain work. System analysis, determining how a system should work and how changes in conditions, operations and the environment will affect outcomes. Quality control analysis, conducting tests and inspections of products, services, or processes to evaluate quality or performance. Decision making, considering the relative costs and benefits of potential actions to choose the most appropriate one. Equipment selection, determining the kind of tools and equipment needed to do a job. Operation analysis, analyzing needs, product requirements to create a design. Operation and control, controlling operations of equipment or systems. Service orientation, actively looking for ways to help people. Installation, installing equipment, machines, wiring, or programs to meet specifications. Troubleshooting, determining causes of operating errors and deciding what to do about it. Consistency, a professional should keep developing engineering skills, learn technique of troubleshooting, and gain experience by working hard. That's all about the quality and skill required for efficient and competent engineering professionals. Thank you all.